In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. This process will help you unlock some fantastic features that can enhance your presentation significantly. First, let's check your Copilot license. Microsoft Copilot requires a specific license to function, either through a Microsoft 365 Copilot Work or School account, or a personal subscription that supports Copilot features. This is important because without the right license, you won't have access to Copilot at all. If you're using a work account, your IT administrator might need to assign the license to you. This ensures that all permissions are correctly set and you can access the features without any issues. Once your license is sorted, you'll need to update PowerPoint. Keeping your software up to date is crucial because updates often include important security patches and new features. If you're using Windows, open PowerPoint and head over to the File menu. From there, select Account and then click on Update Options. Choose Update Now to start the updating process. Once the update is complete, restart PowerPoint. This makes sure your changes are saved. On a Mac, open PowerPoint and go to the Help menu. Select Check for Updates. Install any updates that are available and restart PowerPoint as well. Now let's make sure you're signed in with the correct account. Open PowerPoint and click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Confirm that you're signed in with the Microsoft account that has the Copilot license assigned. This step is crucial because being signed into the wrong account can prevent you from accessing Copilot features. With that ready, open PowerPoint once more and look for Copilot. You can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. You should see the Copilot feature on the Home tab, or you might find a Copilot button either in the ribbon or in the upper right corner of the screen. Click this button to open the Copilot pane. This makes sure that Copilot is active and ready to assist you. Now, let's start using Copilot. Once enabled, Copilot can do a lot of amazing things for you. You can ask it to create a presentation from a simple prompt, generate slides from a Word document, summarize an entire presentation, rewrite slide content, create speaker notes, or even suggest layout and content improvements. This is important because it can save you a lot of time and effort, making your tasks more efficient. For example, you can prompt Copilot by saying, "Create a presentation about digital marketing trends." This will help you kickstart a presentation without starting from scratch. Or you can ask Copilot to summarize this presentation, which condenses the content for a quick overview. Another helpful prompt could be, "Add a slide about project risks," allowing you to focus on specific content areas. You can even say, "Make this slide more professional," to enhance the overall appearance of your slides. By following these steps, you have successfully enabled and started using Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. This tool is designed to make your presentation work more streamlined and effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these features as exciting and useful as I do.